Well, as we were discussing that today being the 7th day of the third phase of the lockdown and only a week to go until the third phase of the lockdown ends, that is till the 17th of May, forward planning that has already begun. But talking about the COVID situation in the country, the number of cases that have already crossed the 62,000 mark and a sharp spike that has especially been seen in the third phase of the lockdown after certain relaxations that were implemented. However, the recovery rate that has improved, it is surging and it stands at over 30%, more than 20,000 recoveries that India has witnessed. However, 2,100 casualties that India has seen due to COVID-19. Talking about the worst hit cities, it includes Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai and New Delhi that remain to be an increasing concern, and we continue to get you more reports from across the country when it comes to the testing rate that has increased and also the effects of the lockdown that has still helped India be in a much better position when it comes to other nations, and how the mortality rate has been controlled at 3.3%. Take a look at the reports coming up next.
Right now we are present in Pragati Maidan area of National Capital, where the construction work has now been resumed. You can see right behind me. I would ask Ranbir to come here. We will try to show you that now the construction work has now resumed. The workers here are now busy in connecting the pipelines for Delhi Jal Board so that the problems can be resolved. Since the time lockdown was implemented, many people were facing water problems because there were many construction work, those were halted after the lockdown was implemented. Here the workers are now working, maintaining social distance. They have put masks on their face, and now the construction work as well as connecting pipelines of Delhi Jal Board has now resumed here in Pragati Maidan. We'll also try to speak to Gurupad, who is who is supervising the whole construction work and the connecting pipelines of Delhi Jal Board, which is taking place here in Pragati Maidan. Gurupad जी, ये बताइए कब से काम शुरू हुआ है?
9 तारीख से शुरू हुआ है सर।
मतलब कल से काम शुरू हो गया है। कितने मजदूर काम कर रहे हैं?
7 आदमी काम कर रहे हैं हमारे पास।
7 आदमी काम कर रहे हैं। यहीं पे ही रहते हैं?
हाँ, यहीं पे रहते हैं सर।
यहीं पे रहते हैं। क्या चीज़ों को आप फॉलो करते हुए काम कर रहे हैं?
फॉलो करने, मास्क लगाना है, सैनिटाइज करना है और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखना है।
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं जी. So you can see that there is a worker who is also sanitizing the complete area, and they are using such sanitizers while they are on their job. ये जो भी जाता है क्या कैसे सैनिटाइज करते हैं आप?
ऐसे जाने से पहले से स्प्रे मार के हाथ में दे के हाथ एक साफ करवा लेते हैं।
पूरा आप सभी गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
किस चीज़ का काम हो रहा है सर? ये
पानी का जल बोर्ड का काम है, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का। हाँ जी।
ये कब से रुका हुआ था?
ये रुका हुआ था 22 तारीख से, लॉकडाउन जब स्टार्ट हुआ था उसी दिन से।
जब वो तभी रुका हुआ था. So you can see that here the work of connecting pipelines has now resumed. You see that big machines, cranes are being now used to connect the pipelines, and there's a rope which is now being used to connect the pipelines of Delhi Jal Board. And we know that relaxations have been given in many sectors, and that's why the workers who are living here in this area, because the government had said that people and workers who are living in a particular area, they can resume the construction work. And looking at that, following all the norms, now the work here in Pragati Maidan has resumed. With Ranbir, I'm Piyush Mishra for Public TV.